Till Financial FinTech Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get FinTech platforms wrong. They assume managing finances is complicated or requires a bank visit. The surprising truth about Till Financial is that it simplifies personal and business finance with automation, analytics, and modern tools, and you won't believe how much time it can save. Here's how it works. Till offers expense tracking, invoicing, automated accounting, and financial reporting for businesses. For personal finance, it tracks budgets, categorizes spending, and provides insights to improve money management. Integration with banks and payment platforms allows real-time tracking. For example, a small business owner can generate invoices, track payments, and analyze cash flow without manual spreadsheets. Most people get this wrong. They assume digital finance tools are just apps, but Till integrates multiple functions into one platform. Additional features include tax preparation support, multi-currency management, and secure cloud storage. Users praise the simplicity, automation, and actionable insights provided. However, there are considerations. Some advanced features may require subscriptions, and users must be mindful of security practices when linking bank accounts. Most people assume FinTech replaces traditional accounting and still complements, but doesn't fully replace professional advice for complex financial situations. In conclusion, Till Financial is ideal for small businesses and individuals who want a streamlined, automated approach to finance with real-time insights and easy management. Subscribe for more honest reviews of FinTech and financial management tools.